Morning traders, and this is your Dax day trade review for today. So measured move has been hit, and hopefully you took profits if you were still trading this long with me. So that is now an inside bar that formed, and I will basically now wait to see what happens. We are in a strong uptrend, as you can see by the moving averages, but we have pretty much sort of banked anywhere between 300 and 200 points, depends where you got in on this trade. And yesterday was pretty much played out as expected. So we had a slight little bit of a pullback, not much, and then a break of this flag that I pointed out yesterday. Okay, so for me at the moment, looking at the oscillators, we are pretty much in dangerous territory at the moment. So we have the measured move has been played out. We don't have a bigger measured move that I know of. I think that one played out as well. And we are now in an area of resistance. Okay, so, and I just want to go to the bigger weekly here. Nothing really. Weekly is still not all convincing at the moment. I don't think the monthly is either. Okay, delete the noise. Okay, we've got a way to go on the monthly, but this the previous month, if we can close above the high of the previous month, then we have some sort of indication that we're going to rally a little bit more. But anyway, so for now, I'm out of the market, so we'll have to wait and see what happens now. But I don't see any smaller setups. The only thing that I can say is that the trend is up. We should be looking for longs. Now, to me, I'm looking for a pullback, and that is the first area of a pullback, which is 12,247. And there is another one a little bit lower. So somewhere between 12,190 and 12,247. That would be a decent pullback that I'd like to see. And then we continue on this journey to the upside. So I'm looking for longs, but there are no more upside targets for me at the moment. So we need to wait for some structure to form and then get into the long side. So kind of a wait and see at the moment. I think everything, there's no other structure here. Okay, so that's kind of the view at the moment. I think profit has been made on it. So we'll have to wait and see what happens next. But if I look at the futures market right now, the Dax is ever so slightly up, 0.2 up at the moment. The US futures are fairly flat, but they did finish up yesterday as well. Nikkei is up 1% at the moment, and Hang Seng is up 1.6%. So Chinese market is up, Japanese market is up. So maybe we still have some more upside to come. But yeah, I think I'm looking for pullbacks now. So it's pullback and then rally. And I think the way to do this now is focus on your lower time frames, because there's no big upside targets at the moment. And I don't see structure on the lower time frame at the moment. But what you can do is use the fractals here. That fractal there. Let's put the lines in. So we're looking for a break of that fractal to indicate a long, and we're looking for a break of this fractal to indicate a short. Okay, but I wouldn't be trading shorts. So if there is a move to the downside, I think that's going to be a consolidation move to pull back, and that's why I would say this area here is a fairly interesting area to get long, 12,243. Okay, so probably by the looks of things, a gap up, then maybe a turn to come and close a gap, and that may also give us the opportunity to be long. Okay, but just watch these moving averages here. That'll give you the indication that you're looking for. Okay, so anyway, guys, that's my view at the moment. Profit taken, and now looking for another opportunity to be long, but I'd need to see a decent pullback before I get in on that. Okay, but hope that helps, and catch you later. Cheers for now.